Is there any maintenance required after the fact?
There's always maintenance on your foundation. You always want to make sure that you're maintaining the moisture around it. So especially if you've got irrigation, you've got sprinklers in the front, sprinklers in the back, and all around sides. If you've got one watering more than the other one, you just need to be cognizant of that and make sure that your sprinkler irrigation is working properly. You're not running it 5 more minutes than you are in the back, you know. And that's where you do chemical injection, water injection, moisture conditioning, or if you haven't done anything, it's better to look at the moisture content around your house and you don't have to have a probe or anything, just be cognizant of it. You know, you can stick your finger in the ground and go, yeah, it's dry over here, wetter over here, you know, and then you just want to make those changes that you need to. Proper guttering around your house is also very critical. You know, you don't want any water standing, that is, around your house for long periods of time, because what it does is just soaks down into the ground, and you know, you could have a settlement issue. It might not even be a heave issue. You know, heave is what we stop.